Hi, I'm Griffin Baring, Product Manager for Crescent Hand Tools. I'd like to tell you about our new Crescent Flip Grip wrench, the compact wrench that gives you a fast ratcheting action, the ability to grip over 50 fasteners, and fold-away convenience. This two-piece set includes a large capacity, 8-inch wrench, and a smaller, pocket-sized 6-inch version, together accommodating for all the size fasteners you see here. The versatile, adjustable jaw opens wide to fit a range of fastener sizes for a variety of projects. Its spring-loaded ratcheting action helps make projects easier and quicker. The locking pivot helps you reach around tight spots and any obstacles. And when your task is complete, simply fold into the handle for convenient storage and portability. Crescent Flip Grip, providing you with convenience and access whenever and wherever you need.